Symmetry is very important in orthodontic treatment, and so it is crucial that we have a symmetrical bite, which involves having a symmetrical number of teeth on the right and the left sides of the mouth. Having a tooth that is impacted can be detrimental to that symmetry, and so we want to make sure, especially in the case of a teenage patient, that we approach the impacted tooth, whether it is by doing a surgical exposure or opening the space for the tooth to erupt. Treatment options for impacted teeth vary depending on the impaction and also on which tooth it is that is impacted. Usually we do something called a surgical exposure, where we are able to place a bracket with a chain with the help of the oral and maxillofacial surgeon, and we put traction on the tooth to bring it into the arch. There are impacted teeth that unfortunately cannot be brought into the arch, and on those cases we recommend extraction. But more importantly, we want to make our determination based on the patient and what the patient's needs are. There are many ways in which we can address missing teeth. Sometimes we preserve the space of the missing tooth for an implant restoration. Sometimes we are able to use the space of a missing tooth and bring other teeth into that space so the space is closed and the patient doesn't require restoration of the edentulous area. To identify impacted teeth, we use a cone beam CT scan to know not only where the tooth is, but what damage, if any, it has caused to neighboring structures. We discuss, typically the oral surgeon and I discuss the treatment options and alternatives available to the patient, and we present those alternatives to the patient so that together with the patient we can all make the best treatment approach.